a garlic butter chicken, and I had 2 of them left over. So I wanted to try something else, and this I made it before. And what it is battered. I'm gonna batter the chicken with all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna just put them through the egg wash before. So, and then I'm gonna fry them. I'm gonna fry them in vegetable oil. So let me just pour the vegetable oil here. And you know what? I'm gonna put, that should be good. I'm also gonna put some onions in there. Onions too. Let me just cut a few onions. Okay, so I have some of the onions I had left from yesterday. I'm gonna use those. Use those onions. I'm gonna put them in here for the time being with the chicken. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this other one in rings as well. Okay, so I'm gonna get this little plate, or this small plate, and pour some of the all-purpose flour in here. Okay, and on the chicken, I put complete seasoning. I put garlic powder. I put onion powder. I put a little bit of turmeric. And what else? Pepper, salt, and pepper. That's what I basted them with. And these I prepared them yesterday. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the stove, put it on high, and I hope you can see me here. I hope you can see me here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken. Yeah, this is chicken through the egg wash. Through the egg wash, and then I'm going to put it through the all-purpose flour. I'm going to put it on here. Just try to cover it all as much as you can. Every little bit. Okay, that should be pretty good. Let's put them to the side there for now and do the other one. Yeah, it's 2. I got 2 of them here. All broken up, but the taste is going to be good. Put them through the egg wash. And now put them the all-purpose flour. Make sure that the oil is hot, very hot.
Chicken was previously basted already?
It was. Remember, I did that yesterday. These were the ones that we ate yesterday. Alright, these in adds to it. Throw the onions in there too. And now we're going to leave it there for about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, without touching them, without turning them or anything. I am going to lower the heat like to medium high. Okay, so I'm going to turn it now. It's been like 4 minutes here cooking in medium high. And now we're going to turn this baby. Look at that, how delicious. Wow. Yeah, it's nice and crispy. Woo. Perfect. Okay, so now there we're going to leave it for about maybe 2 minutes. We'll see. 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to take them out. It's been like about 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. I'm going to take them out. Okay, we're going to take these onions and we're going to put them over without the grease. There we have it.